Here's your new card. Open it. It's a birthday card from your grandma's strange. Ready? Got hamsters. Like that? So far so good? Where'd it go?
Is produced in association with the University of Southern California.
Where'd it go? Where'd it go? You want it? You want to open it? Go ahead. Oh! Oh! Did you make it do that? Do it again, do it again, do it again, do it again. Do it again. Ready? Do it again. Thanks for the money, Grandma. Thought I ought to buy the birthday cake. Just kidding. What are we supposed to do with the money? Put it in her piggy bank? Oh, and she's got the phone. Look at the video. Look at the violet. Look at the violet. Yeah, there's the violet. Oh, you're drooling on the phone too. Awesome. Awesome. Woo. Woo. Now it's on the floor. Okay, we better stop it before we run out of space. Let me see if I stopped it. Hang on. Hey.